Hi, hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss a new term. What is called breathing. Breathing means, yes, that's all. ശ്വാസം വലിക്കുക. It's breathing or respiration, isn't it? Every living things breathe. In the first chapter itself we discussed that. Every living things breathe, isn't it? Animals like us, human beings, monkeys, cats, tiger, buffalo, lions, elephants, everything breathes. We have nose. We breathe through our nose and by the help of the lungs. We have a lungs here. With the help of the lungs we breathe by nose and lungs. What about fish? We know other animals like monkeys or this lion or tiger. These things also breathe through their nose and lungs. What about fish? A fish. See? So you can see here fishes have a small opening here. It's called gills. So fishes normally they breathe through the gills. Fishes breathe through the gills. Here they have a small opening, not very small but a small opening. This through which they can breathe in. How they breathe in? They are under the water. Will they get air? When we go under the water, will we get air? No. Then how they breathe? Fishesinu വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ അടിയിൽ പോയ ശ്വാസം കിട്ടുമോ? They will take in the water. അവർ വെള്ളം വലിച്ചെടുക്കും. And in that water there will be oxygen. And they will take that oxygen and then give out the water. വെള്ളം പുറത്തേക്ക് തന്നെ വിടും. They will take only the oxygen from the water. How do we breathe? We take the air and our lungs will absorb the oxygen. Carbon dioxide is released out. So this is the process of breathing in humans, and I also explained the breathing in fishes. Now what about the plants, other living things like plants? How they breathe? I already told that plants have leaves, and inside their leaves it's a leaf, isn't it? So, and it will be green colored here. It will be green colored. So this is a leaf. So the other side of the leaf means the outer side of a leaf. It will be similar. Here you can see the markings. So this is the other side of this leaf. There will be small openings, very small openings, but you can't see with your eyes. It is very small, that's why we can't see them. So these very small openings are called, what it is called? Stomata. It's called stomata. Through this stomata, they breathe. Humans breathe through nose, fish breathe through gills, and plants breathe through their tiny openings in their leaves called stomata. Hope you understand. Tiny means very small openings in their leaves called stomata. That's all about this section. See, today we discussed about breathing. Okay, fine. Thank you.